Imagine a place where the sun kisses the Mediterranean Sea, where ancient civilizations have left their mark, and where every corner tells a story. Welcome to Sicily. This radiant island, nestled at the tip of the Italian boot, is a treasure trove of history, culture, and natural beauty. It's not just about the well-trodden paths leading to Mount Etna or the bustling markets of Palermo. Sicily's charm lies in its hidden corners, the ones that aren't splashed across postcards. From secluded beaches to forgotten towns, Sicily is an adventurer's dream. The island's diverse terrain is a testament to its rich with Greek temples, Roman villas, and Baroque churches, creating a unique fusion of architectural styles. But it's not just the landscapes that captivate, it's the local wines, each one a delightful surprise, embodying the spirit of the region they come from. The Sicilian people, known for their warmth and hospitality, add to the charm of the island. Let's delve into Sicily's secrets and explore the top 5 unexplored wonders that make this island a paradise for history buffs and wine lovers. Our journey starts in Segesta, a silent witness to the grandeur of the ancient Elymian civilization. Nestled in the rolling hills of northwestern Sicily, Segesta is a treasure trove of enigmatic tales and architectural marvels that date back to the first millennium BCE. Its historical significance is as captivating as its landscape, a harmonious blend of rugged terrain and lush greenery that changes hues with the seasons. The heart of Segesta lies in its archaeological site, a window into the past. Here you can trace the footsteps of the ancient Elymians, a civilization that thrived long before the Romans set foot on the island. The remnants of their existence, though weathered by time, stand tall, echoing stories of a civilization that once was. One can't talk about Segesta without mentioning its ancient theater. Carved into the hillside, this semicircular structure offers panoramic views of the surrounding countryside and the azure sea beyond. Its acoustics are a testament to the architectural prowess of the ancient Elymians. Imagine the thrill of watching a play here, under the open sky, as the ancients did centuries ago. A stone's throw away from the theater is the unfinished Doric temple. Its solitary columns, standing against the test of time, are a striking sight. The temple's incomplete state adds to its mystery, sparking curiosity about what could have led to its abandonment. The climate here is typical of Mediterranean regions, warm, dry summers and mild, wet winters. The changeable weather patterns have a significant influence on the area's viticulture, making Segesta a producer of some of Sicily's finest wines. Speaking of wines, the Marsala, a local favorite, is a must-try. This fortified wine, with its rich flavor profile, perfectly complements the region's culinary delights. It's a taste of Segesta that you can take home with you. Segesta, an enchanting glimpse into a civilization lost in time, offers visitors a taste of history and fine wine. The locals, proud of their heritage, are always eager to share stories of their ancient city. This hidden gem, with its compelling blend of ancient mysteries and natural beauty, is a place that lures you in and leaves you yearning for more. From the ancient ruins of Segesta, we travel to Cefalù, a picturesque coastal town with an intriguing history. Nestled snugly between a towering rocky headland and a sweeping sandy bay, Cefalù is a gem on the northern coast of Sicily. In the heart, this charming town stands the imposing Norman cathedral. Constructed in the 12th century, this architectural marvel is a testament to Sicily's rich history. Its twin towers rise majestically against the sky, while inside you'll find stunning Byzantine mosaics that tell tales of centuries past. Just a stone's throw away, hidden away in the labyrinthine cobbled streets, lies the medieval washhouse. Fed by a natural spring, this washhouse was the hub of community life in bygone days. Even today, the sound of flowing water echoes through the stone arches, whispering stories of the hardy folk who once toiled here. A short stroll from the washhouse will take you to the Mandraliska Museum. This eclectic collection showcases everything from archaeological finds to fine art, including a rare portrait by Antonello da Messina. This museum, though smaller than some, offers a unique glimpse into the diverse cultural tapestry of Sicily. Cefalu's coastal climate lends itself to long, languid summers and mild winters. Its terrain, a blend of sandy beaches, craggy cliffs, and verdant hills, is a feast for the eyes. From the town's highest point, the views across the sparkling Tyrrhenian Sea are truly breathtaking. And then there's the wine. The local vineyards, nurtured by the sun-drenched soil and the cool sea breezes, produce the exquisite white Alcamo. With its delicate bouquet and crisp, refreshing taste, Alcamo is the perfect accompaniment to a leisurely Sicilian meal. Cefalu, with its charming streets and unexplored historical treasures, is a paradise waiting to be discovered. This picturesque town, with its blend of history, beauty, and culinary delights, offers a taste of the real Sicily, a world away from the tourist traps and bustling cities. The people of Cefalu, with their laid-back lifestyle and love for their town, make every visitor feel at home. So come and lose yourself in the hidden beauty of Cefalu. Leaving the coast behind, we venture into the heart of Sicily to Piazza Armerina, a town that time seems to have forgotten. Cloaked in the mystique of bygone eras, this captivating place whispers tales of ancient Roman grandeur. One of the town's crown jewels is the Villa Romana del Casal, an extravagant Roman villa dating back to the late Roman Empire. The villa's walls narrate stories of old, etched in stunningly preserved mosaics that are considered among the most extensive and luxurious of their kind. These intricate mosaics offer a vibrant window into the past, depicting scenes from daily life, mythology, and sport. Piazza Armerina's climate is as inviting as its history, characterized by warm summers that invite exploration and mild winters that lend themselves to leisurely strolls through the town's winding streets. The terrain, a quilt of lush, rolling hills and fertile plains, is a sight to behold, and a treat for those who appreciate the allure of nature. And then, there's the wine. The region is particularly known for its Cerasuolo di Vittoria, a red wine that carries the pride of Sicily in every sip. This wine, the only Sicilian to have achieved the highest Italian wine classification, Denominazione di Origine Controllata e Garantita, is a harmonious blend of Nero d'Avola and Frappato grapes. It's a wine that dances on the palate, its fruity, spicy notes reflecting the sun-drenched landscapes from which it hails. The locals, with their traditional lifestyle and love for their land, add a unique charm to the town. Piazza Armerina is a town that revels in its forgotten status, where the simplicity of rural life intertwines with the richness of history. Every cobblestone street, every rustic doorway, every vineyard that sprawls across the hillsides speaks to the enduring charm of this hidden gem. Piazza Armerina, a town where the echoes of the past can be felt in every corner, is a testament to Sicily's rich and diverse history. Our journey ends in Mossia, an unexplored island steeped in history and surrounded by the crystal-clear waters of the Mediterranean Sea. This small island, nestled off Sicily's west coast, is a testament to the enduring influence of ancient civilizations. Mozia was once a bustling Phoenician settlement, a hub of commerce and culture. The island's archaeological treasures bear witness to this rich past. As you wander the island, you'll come across the remnants of ancient walls, sanctuaries, and dwellings, each whispering tales of times long gone. The Whitaker Museum, perched on the island, is a treasure trove of archaeological finds. Here, you'll encounter a world-class collection of artifacts, including the famous Youth of Mozia, a marble statue that has become the symbol of Mozia's ancient glory. One of Mozia's unique features is its salt pans. The island is rimmed with these glittering expanses where sea salt is harvested in a tradition that dates back to Phoenician times. The sight of the salt pans against the backdrop of azure Mediterranean waters is a truly unforgettable spectacle. The island's climate is typically Mediterranean, with warm summers and mild winters. The terrain is predominantly flat, making it an ideal place for leisurely exploration. And then, there's the wine. Sicily is renowned for its wines, and Mozia is no exception. The island is known for the Grillo, a crisp white wine with a hint of sea saltiness, a testament to Mozia's maritime heritage. The wine perfectly complements the island's fresh seafood, creating a gastronomic experience that is distinctly Mozian. Mozia, a hidden gem in the heart of the Mediterranean, offers a unique blend of history, beauty, and exquisite wine. This unexplored island is a testament to Sicily's rich past, an echo of ancient civilizations, and a celebration of the Mediterranean's enduring allure. So, until we meet again in another unexplored corner of Sicily, raise a glass of Grillo and toast to the timeless beauty of Mozia. The people of Mozia, with their simple lifestyle and deep connection with the sea, make the island a unique place to visit. From the serene tranquility of Mozia, we now journey to Caccamo, a medieval town perched on a steep hill, home to one of the largest and best-preserved castles in all of Sicily. The imposing castle of Caccamo stands as a proud testament to Sicily's turbulent past. Its towering walls and fortified ramparts provide a commanding view of the surrounding countryside and the sparkling waters of the Tyrrhenian Sea. As we navigate the castle's labyrinthine corridors and grand halls, each stone whispers tales of knights, nobles, and intrigue. Leaving the castle, we step into the charming narrow streets of Cacamo, flanked by ancient churches and traditional Sicilian eateries. The aroma of fresh bread, simmering sauces, and roasting meats fill the air, beckoning us to partake in the culinary delights the town has to offer. And what better way to enjoy these hearty meals than with a glass of the local wine, Nero d'Avola. This robust red wine, with its dark fruit flavors and spicy undertones, perfectly complements the town's rich cuisine. As our journey comes to a close, let's raise a glass of Nero d'Avola to Cacamo. With its rich history, stunning views, and delightful gastronomy, Cacamo is the perfect end to our exploration of Sicily's hidden charms. So, here's to the unforgettable beauty of Sicily and the adventures that await in its unexplored corners. Until we meet again, salute!